Yo, what's up, amigos? I'm gonna quickly run over the day trade between Kempf and um, ICD. I'm gonna close this. I just did a video on this, which is WRX. So, okay, ICD. It's just a trade recap. I didn't properly do homework. I think I did yesterday, but I'm not sure. But today's just a recap on it. Um, so that's what the video is going to be about. Let's just get right into it. Longed at the pull 11. So I'm just recapping for myself. ICD. This is what I was thinking in the morning. When did I long? 11. So I longed at 11 down here. Perfect. Must have had a lotto entry somewhere here, because I thought it would push. Longed it, added to winner. Sold, stopped, sold. I see. I was longing here. I added too much size. One mistake here. So that's the problem. Okay. So this may not make sense to you guys, but I just did a recap on WRX, and I was saying how I was good at IB. My risk management on here is good because I use a trailing stop. I add to winner, but the problem is that sometimes I cancel my trailing stop, and I don't do well. So in here I was adding to winner, trail stopped me out, then I re-added. I was thinking of using this as a risk or this as a risk, and thankfully I did use a trail stop. The trail did stop me out, but I took a bigger loss because I was adding. And what I should have done, which I don't do on this account as much as I should have, took a break-even trade for a little bit, and then I re-added it. I re-added it half size, and then I manually stopped out, which is another problem. Or I may have trail stopped, I don't remember. And this just went higher. And I am swinging very small, like 1/30th size into tomorrow. So in the morning I'm short bias on it. And why am I short bias on it? Because of this. I thought I would squeeze in, squeeze out in here. Volume profile level was around, it's probably around here. Had washed. Day 2 play. Do I regret it? Nah. Short, good cover. Short it here. Here, one of the mistakes is I didn't calculate my R properly enough. Just a very stupid and newbie mistake. I had a lot of conviction because it's day 2, nobody was watching it, and it had washed out. So I was thinking the bag holders, whatever, from yesterday, and potentially the overhead, which I'm not 100% sure if it over. I don't remember, but I do remember looking into it. So shorted here, covered here, re-shorted here, and then I stopped out here. Stopped out here, and then stopped out. Stopped out here, stopped out. Re-shorted, cover, covers, re-short, cover, long, and then I accidentally longed, and then I sold. Then I longed and I sold. I longed and I sold. Yeah. longed, and then I sold. Not much to it. Okay, trade grade. Um, I think this is probably not an A++ setup. One, because I didn't do my proper homework. Two, I don't think it had that much overhead because I would have remembered. It's a day 2 play, so it's probably an A minus, B plus plus or A minus play. Risk management. B minus. What I did good. Covered into the washes, 945 covers. Reshorted here. Should have had a tighter stop. So let's see if I'm shorting $9, and in this case here would have been 875. I was risking 950. That's a big stop. I bought a lot of shares, and I think in my head conviction was like, oh, it's just gonna go to the up here and then just stop out. And had I stopped out here, it would not have been bad, but I stopped out quite a bit more. So that's another problem that I have. I have to use hard stops. Okay, no, stick to what's good. What's good? Good short, good patience, good cover. Good short here, waited for rejection, gap up, second halt, looked weak, shorted the weakness as it was going up, shorted slowly, beautiful washes, reshort, beautiful recycle, nice long bias on it, both times, good job, a good stop out here, even though quote unquote it's not the right one, added to winner, think stopped out break even, and then it pushed higher, so that's the good. The bad, risk management here. Sure, here could have stopped out here. Definitely should have stopped out here. So use hard stop. Get a hotkey to turn. Get a hotkey to stop out automatically. Just like a 25-cent generic stop out, and then adjust as with the range. So just make it a habit. As soon as I short, I put an automatic stop, probably for full size, limit something. So yeah. Okay. So that's improvement. Again, wait for a lower high, and if you're doing this, have a hard stop up here. Don't do that. It washed. Good short, but have tighter stop. Hard stop again. Okay, so that's what the trade is about. And here, use a trail stop. Don't manually stop. Use a big trail. Let the trail. I usually do a good job, but let the trail be more than 5 minutes and enough to be risking off a previous low. And technically, that would have probably stopped me out here, but it still would have been nice. Regardless, good job. And that's it.